Hi everyone, my name is Hirshberg, and today I'm excited to be here and share with you how artificial intelligence meets fashion. But first, let me introduce myself. I was born and I still live in Haifa, and I have my first and master's degree from the Technion. I started my journey at Microsoft a few years ago as a research intern at Redmond, where I focused on autonomous drones. Then, during my master's, I focused on autonomous drones, but for indoor navigation based on acoustic sensors. Then, about a year ago, I rejoined Microsoft as a data scientist in the Azure Video Indexer team. So, Video Indexer. As the name Video Indexer suggests, our team develops artificial intelligence algorithm to understand videos. So by uploading your video to Azure, we index the data, meaning we extract valuable information and insights from the video. This is, for example, detecting and tracking people, detecting faces, celebrity recognition, and lots more. We also transcribe the data, the video, into multiple languages and can translate it if needed. We also use, above the transcript, large language models to keep improving it. So our data science team is actually expert in 3 domains: the video, audio, and text. Before diving into the connection of Video Indexer and AI in general to fashion, let me ask you a question. By raising your hands, has anyone here ever shopped online? Okay, so let me rephrase it. Has anyone here never shopped online? Okay, none. So I think it's safe to say that most of us buy things online. Now, imagine you're watching one of your favorite TV shows, for example, Friends, which I love. And you see there Monica wearing an amazing dress that you just must have. And you think to yourself, wow, I want it, and I want it now. That's where Video Indexer comes in. Our new algorithm allows us to detect and understand what are the main fashion items and clothing in a video, so they can be recommended to the viewers, and by adding the option to purchase them with just one click, we simplify the online shopping experience. So basically, our algorithm gives the recommendation of the right ad at the right time. So it's not so simple, and let's see why. Let's take, for example, this video. You consider the best dressed celebs at the Grammys, and you see the host, and you see many people, many outfits. So with so many people and so many outfits, how can we recommend and understand what are the main fashion items and clothing? So first we can see the host, and we can see that what she is wearing is less important than what Lady Gaga is wearing. So first, we can say that the main figures are super important. So it's important to take into account not only the amount of time the clothing is featured in the video, but also who is wearing it. Another thing is to recommend clothing with a positive attitude. For example, when having crowd reactions of cheering or applause, this will raise the score for this clothing. Another thing is that we don't want to recommend clothing with the negative feelings, for example, in sad or angry scenes. So all of this we can take from the vision, audio, and text, the multimodality, the 3 models of the video. And by that, we can understand better the video and specifically the main items, the main fashion items in the video. So how does it really work? We have the video, and let's start from the vision domain. Our baseline for this algorithm is the observed people, the people that are detected and tracked during the video. Another thing is the face detection and celebrity recognition. Here, for example, you can see Lady Gaga, and as we said, it's important to note who is wearing the outfit. Another thing we can take into account is the OCR, text detected in images, for example here, Adidas, and also to use brand and logo detections. Last thing from the vision domain, we can take the object descriptions, whether it's fashionable or where it is not. Now let's continue to the audio domain. For the audio domain, as I mentioned, we have the emotion detected from the audio or from the transcript, and also the audio events, for example, clapping, cheering, and such, which will raise the value of that clothing for recommendation. Last thing, we have the text domain. So from the transcript, we can use large language models to get the topics and keywords. So for example, in a scene, if the scene has a topic for fashion, it will say that the clothing has a better score and is more interesting for us. So we have all of those video insights. We can extract them features, simple features, and then use regression model, classic regression model, to provide the insight of what is the ranking of the clothing based on their importance. Bonus, privacy. It is so important when we talk about tech and AI in general, but specifically in our case, this is a bonus of our algorithm, because our algorithm uses only the content of the video without violating user privacy. So no cookies. And so our algorithm uses only the content, only the video, only the images that are shown, only the audio, but without any access to user data. So what's next? We can go into other domains or other areas, for example, for sports, and recommend not only clothing and fashion items, but also fashion items for home decor, for example, the mirror and such. So actually, you can think about everything you want to shop that we can provide the insights of what is the importance of that item. And that's all. Thank you very much.